Good morning, my dear sisters and brothers. Especially during this Lenten season, there are many things that we can do as Catholics. There is the usual fasting, abstinence, and when Holy Week comes, many of us participate in the Holy Week celebrations. Pag Palm Sunday, ang dami-daming tao, dala-dala ang mga palaspas, at lahat gusto mababad sa tubig, sa holy water. No? Kaya iniisip ko, kunin niyo ang service ng mga bumbero no? Para sa Holy Week. Para pag nagbuhos ng holy water, basa lahat. So those are the things, and many more can we do during season of Lent and Holy Week. Procession. There are many processions during Holy Week. Mga karosang nagagandahan, mga santong ang gayak ay kahanga-hanga. And even not during Holy Week, as Catholics, we can go to church, we attend Mass, we do Catholic activities. But my dear brothers and sisters, our readings today, especially the first reading, is a reminder against religious hypocrisy. Religious hypocrisy. Yung gawin ang mga bagay na banal para lamang magpakitang gilas. Gawin ang mga bagay na banal na may halong pagkukunwari. That is religious hypocrisy. In the first reading, the Lord, through the prophet Isaiah, is condemning His people, not because they worship, but their worship is enclosed, clouded by hypocrisy. And that is why, in the first reading, the invitation of the Lord is, wash yourselves clean. Put away your misdeeds before my eyes. I do not like what you do, because you do religious activities with hypocrisy. Kaya nga ang sabi ng Panginoon sa unang pagbasa, make justice your aim, redress the wrong, hear the orphan's plea, defend the widow. Yan ang mga gawang kalugod-lugod sa akin. At lalo na sa Ebanghelyo, sabi ng Panginoon tungkol sa mga Eskriba at Pariseo, no, they preach but they do not practice. All their works are performed to be seen. Yun ang sabi ng Panginoon. All their works are performed to be seen. Pakitang tao lamang. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, in these readings, we are being reminded, examine ourselves and ask ourselves, ginagawa ko ba ito para lamang magpakitang tao? Ginagawa ko ba ang mga magagandang gawaing ito, mga gawa ng pagsamba, para lamang magpakitang tao? The first reading in the Gospel are clear reminders to us, huwag maging mapagkunwari. Hindi sinasabi sa atin na huwag tayong magdasal. Hindi sinasabi sa atin na huwag tayong gumawa ng mga banal na gawain. Hindi sinasabi sa atin na magsakripisyo. Ang sinasabi sa atin ay, suriin mo ang sarili mo. Bakit mo yan ginagawa? What is your motivation in doing so? Is it for the glory of God? Or is it for my own glory? Let us pray for one another that whatever we do, especially during this season of Lent, will be for the greater glory of God.